Yes, good morning students. Class 3rd, subject science. We are dealing with our chapter number 9, that is our body. So today in part 3rd video of this chapter, we are starting our organ system, muscular system. In the last class we discussed about the skeletal system. Now we are discussing the next system of this chapter, that is muscular system. Muscular system is, what is the meaning of the muscular systems? By the name of the muscular, it is itself says that muscular means muscles. It is made up of the muscles. That means in our body all the muscles form our muscular systems. Okay, muscles means that is, these are the muscles, masspeciae. Clear? Starting, all the muscles in our body, all the muscles in our body form a muscular system. All come in sabhi. Muscles cover the skeletal and are attached to bones. Muscles cover का मीन्स ढकता है skeletal. This is the skeletal system, and the outer appearance of the skeletal system is the muscular system. All the muscles cover all the bones of our body. Clear? Look at it. Muscles cover the skeletal and are attached to bones. Bones से attach रहती है और skeleton को पूरा cover करके रखती है. They help to move bones. Muscles help to move the bones of the hands, legs, all over the part of the body which bones is movable with the help of the muscles. Only it can be helped with the muscles. So the skeletal they help to move muscle. So what is the function of the muscular systems or the muscles? Muscles help to move bones. Skeletal systems and muscular systems together help us to move. दोनों साथ में मिलकर, together का मीन्स क्या होता है? साथ में. The skeletal system and muscular system together help us to move करने में, hold करने में. I have to hold some things. Just suppose that I hold a pencils in my hand. That is due to the combined functions of the skeletal and the muscular system. Okay, so together help us to move, hold, run, and sit. There are about 640 muscles in our body. How many muscles are there in our body? There is about 640 muscles. About means लगभग, approximately there is a 640 muscles in our body. Look at the picture. This is the muscular systems of our body. Okay, now move on the next organ systems, that is digestive systems. Clear? Digestive system is the system that is related to the digestion of food. Digestion means breaking down of the food into simpler component that our body absorb the nutrients from that part, or in normal way we can to say that we getting the energy from that food. Means पाचन होना, खाने का body के अंदर पचन. That is related in the digestive system. The food that we eat cannot be used directly by our body. Directly use नहीं किया जाता है. The food cannot be used directly by our body. It is broken down into simple substances. Simple का मीन्स छोटे, broken down का मीन्स होता है टूटना. That our body can use, उसे use कर सकते हैं. The process by which the food we eat is broken down into simple substances is called digestion. उस process को हम क्या कहते हैं? Digestion. Underline the definition of the digestions. The process by which the food we eat is broken down into simple substances is called digestion. मतलब ऐसा process जिसमें आपके food को simple substances में broken down किया जाता है, मतलब छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में उनको convert किया जाता है. That our body can use, उस बुक को body use कर सकती है. That the process is known as digestion. Next one, the organs that help in the digestion of the food together form digestive system. And जो organs help करते हैं digestion of food के अंदर, उन organs को हम उन organs को हम क्या कहते हैं? Digestive systems के part कहते हैं. ठीक है? The organs that help in the digestion of food together form digestive systems. पूरा digestive systems बनाते हैं. For example, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus are the main organs of the digestive systems. You have to ask the question in the exam that write the main organs of the digestive system. Then you have to write mouth, मुंह वाला, ठीक है, food pipe, stomach, peट, small intestine, large intestine, anus are the main organ of the system. So look at the pictures. There is the label diagram of the digestive system. Label means this is the picture and this is the name of the organs, particular organ of the digestive system. It's like this is the mouth part, this is the food pipe, this is the stomach area, this is the small intestine, this is the large intestine, and this is the anus. When we take a food inside our body, then it's travel from the food pipe and goes to the stomach. Here the digestion of the food takes place. After that, digestion starts in the small intestine, after that in the large intestine. Okay, and in the large intestine, undigested foods travel and is excreted out by the last organ, the digestive system, that is anus. And we discussed that in our excretory systems. Clear? So this is the digestive systems of our body. Clear? If you have any doubt related to the muscular system or digestive system, then please ask. So thank you. Hope you like that.